Before you scroll past this, I need you to stop right now. This message was placed directly in front of you because I have something I need to speak over your body, your mind, and your heart today. You did not find this by accident. I brought you here because what you have been carrying in your physical body and in the broken places inside you has gone on long enough. I am here. I am speaking. Receive this right now. I see the pain you have been living with. Not just the pain that shows on the outside, but the deep internal pain that you have learned to manage and mask and push through every single day. I see the diagnosis that changed everything. I see the symptoms that will not go away no matter what you try. I see the mental and emotional wounds that never fully healed. I see how you have smiled through days that were agonizing. I see how you have kept going when your body and your mind were screaming for rest. I see how you have quietly wondered whether you will ever feel whole again. I see the fear that lives underneath the surface every single day. I see all of it, and I have not looked away from you for even 1 second, my child. I need you to hear this and let it go all the way down into the deepest part of you. I am Jehovah Rapha. I am the Lord who heals you, not the God who used to heal, not the God who heals other people but cannot heal you. I am the same God who opened blind eyes and made lame legs walk and raised the dead, and I have not changed. My healing power has not diminished. My willingness to heal has not expired. And I am moving in your body and in your mind and in your heart right now, even as you receive these words. The healing I am releasing into you today is not just physical. I am healing the fear that has wrapped itself around your heart. I am healing the trauma that lives in your body. I am healing the grief that never fully left. I am healing the places in your mind where darkness has tried to make a home. I am going into every broken place and every wounded place and every fearful place, and I am doing what only I can do. I am restoring. I am renewing. I am making whole what was shattered. Nothing about your situation is beyond my reach. Nothing about your body is too broken for my hands. I created every cell inside you, and I know exactly what needs to happen, and I am already doing it. Here is my promise to you right now. The healing that has felt out of reach is moving toward you today. Within days, you are going to begin to feel a shift in your body, in your mind, in your spirit. Something is going to lift. Something is going to change. A door to healing is opening right now that was not open yesterday. Do not give up on your healing. Do not accept what the enemy has told you about your condition. I am Jehovah Rapha, and I am not finished with you yet. If this word is for you today, type Amen in the comments right now. Share this with someone who needs healing today. Subscribe to The Father Speaks for a daily message made specifically for you. God bless you.